everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'd like to share how I organize my washi tapes. I keep them in my Ikea Alex drawer. I have quite a washi tape, so I use the whole first drawer for them. This is how I store them now. I made this organizer from the cardboard tubes that you get when you use paper kitchen towels. It works great, but I want to change because of two reasons. First, the drawer doesn't open all the way, so there's a hidden space in here. It's around 16 centimeters, so it's a big loss of space, so I want to use that space. And another reason is this organizer is half circles, so when there's a washi tape that's wider than the organizer like this, it doesn't fit in here. And it drags other washi tapes. Maybe it's not a big deal, but it bothers me. So I made two boxes as new organizers. I made them with just packages. I'm subscribing vegetable and fruits basket that comes every week, and it comes with this big size, fairly thick craft paper. So I used them to make these boxes. The dividers are the same materials, they can move. I didn't fix them to the box. If you want to see how I made these boxes, let me know because it's really easy to make and you can make any size you want fits in your drawer. So my plan is putting this bigger one on the inside in the drawer and this smaller one outside. So I take this out, I can pull the bigger box and I can use the washi tape dip in the drawer. I hope this makes sense. So now I'm gonna tidy up and group the washi tapes in the new boxes. I think I'm gonna group them by colors. So my plan or guideline for organizing was putting white washi tapes in the back and the Disney washi tapes in the left here because I don't use them very often. And I have a couple of washi tape sets from scrapbooking collections, you know, Maggie Holmes, Heidi Swapp, One Kind of Two. So I decided to put them together by collection. So yeah, that were my basic guidelines. I think it's gonna be an eye-pleasing video, so enjoy! I had one more divider left, so I decided to make mini dividers with it, so I can separate the space between different themes and colors. Didn't fix the mini dividers to the box neither, so I can move them whenever I want to change. I love these mini dividers. They give the organizer cleaner and neater look. It was not enough, so I made more mini dividers. this is how I organized. As I said, Disney washi tapes in the left and white ones in the back. And you saw me making these mini dividers. Here's Crepe Paper Journal Studio, Creekside by 102, Heidi Swap, and Flourish by Maggie Holmes. They are greens and Celestial/Galaxy washi tapes, my favorite section, and blue ones. And I had only narrower space left, so I put white washi tapes in a different direction. And in the smaller box, black and white, craft color, multicolor, pinks, and violet, red, and orange. I am so happy with it. I think they are perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you're looking for a way to store and organize your washi tapes, I hope this video was helpful. I know a lot of us love washi tapes and we have a collection of them because they are so pretty and so convenient to use. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!